Correct. So according to the mass rule, this portion needs to be done first. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 40 times 3 will be 120. One decimal place backwards. Answer would be 12. Starting with the smallest. So we should convert everything into decimal. 0.12, 0.2, 0.1, 1 by 5, sorry, 3 by 25, 13%, and 1 by 5. 20 degrees higher. Higher means you will go up at 20. Difference, so minus 4 plus 10, or it's better, sorry, as it was difference, you may use the minus sign, 14, or you may use the number line. If it is in negative 4, you can go up to 10. So the difference would be 14. 12 apples, each apple cost 65 cents. 12 times 65, since it's in cents and we need to give the answer in dollars, 7.8. Find the range. So for these type of questions, range is always from the x-axis. So 4 minus 0, highest minus lowest, 4 will be the range. Fraction of 20 people who own 3 pets. 5 people, these are number of 3 pets. So 5 people out of 20 people, or 1 by 4. Y is corresponding, so 110, or as students say, this is F, and for X it is interior supplementary, or C, so should be 70. One significant figure, so 53, 7, 5 would be the answer. Divide by 10, 7.8. 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 1 meter square would be 30,000. Type of correlation, positive. Going this side, line of best fit could be somewhere like this. And 50 aged people, time in minutes. So you can go from here here. It should be 0.16. Four exterior angles of a pentagon. So calculate the size of the remaining exterior angle. For exterior angles, the sum is always 360. So if you will add them, 250 and 80 will be 330. 30 degree will be left. Calculate the interior angle of a regular decagon. When they say regular, all sides are same and it's a decagon, 10-sided shape. So 10 minus 2 into 180 over 10. So it would be 8 times 18, 80 plus 64, 144. 16 plus 3, 19. 5 power minus 1 plus 3. Evaluate, we need to give the answer in numbers. So 5 power 2 is 25. Find the actual distance. For that purpose, you need to measure it. On my scale, it is 8.3. So in kilometers, using this scale, just multiply it with 20,000 and give the answer in kilometers. So 8.3 times 20,000 and the answer will be in centimeters obviously. So 6, 16 and 3 zeros. So this is centimeter and 1 kilometer has 100,000 of centimeters. So we can go 5 places backwards. Answer should be 1.66. This is not in syllabus anymore. 8 by 5 multiply 5, 3 by 5, 24 over 25, 36. All numbers should be prime. Don't start with a larger number. So this should be your answer. Together gives us a hint. It's a keyword for LCM. So we need to take the LCM of 36 and 48. Uh, let's go with 12. So it's 144 minutes. But we need to give the answer of next time. 144 minutes means 2 hours and 24 minutes. So it would be 11:54. ABC, this would be the angle ABC. We know from circle properties the both tangents are always equal from the same point. So it is an isosceles triangle. So 180 minus 38 over 2. It should be 142 over 271 would be the answer. B or C? BOC is this angle. We can use a dotted line, and we know very well radius and tangents are of 90 degrees. So this angle should be 90 minus 38. 7 plus 45 would be 52. So this would also be 52. Your final answer will be 104. BDC. This is a half angle of the center. So it will be 52. We need to identify the region R. So let's start from this one. 1 and 3. Now it is less than 3 and greater than 1. Now let's go for this one. 2 and 3 in Y. 2 and 3 in Y. So this is less than 3 but greater than 2. So right now we are focusing on this portion. Let's go for this one, and we can plot it by putting 1 times 0 in X and 1 time in Y. So it will be 1, and when I put 0 in Y, it will be minus 2. Okay, 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is this point. Since I cannot plot minus 2 0, so I may take another point. Let's put 4, so it would be 3. 4 over 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3 would be somewhere here. So this should be your line. And the region says it's greater. So it will point over here. Do we have to shade it? No, just we need to label it. So this would be our region R. Or at directly proportional. Y is directly proportional to the square of X. And Let's use cross multiplication method, it would be easier. So we have two quantities y and we have x square. If it is 2 square root of x, sorry, it is square root of x. Okay, so x would be 4 then. Then we have to find y when x is 25 and square root 25 would be 5. Since it was direct proportional, we use cross multiplication and your answer would be 10 over 4. We have total of 40 members. 20 members are total in run. So this entire thing will include 20 people. This is total of 24. This is total of 14. 3 cycle and sail, but do not run. Cycle and sail just this portion. So this will be 3. 9 run and cycle. 9 over here. 5 run and sail. 9 run and cycle. Sorry, 9 should be here. 5 run and sail. So we know that 22 is the total of run. This should be total of 22, but I still need something else. Yes, 6 run only. So this is 6. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 5. So your center would be 2. As the total of run should be 22. And total of cycle should be 24. 11 plus 3, 14. This should be 10 then. And 14 total is sales. 7 plus 3, 10. This should be 4. Now let's check the entire total, grand total. So if this is 22 plus 13 plus 9, sorry, it's not 9, 4, 7 plus 3, 10, yes, 4. So 5, 9, 39. Only one is remaining, it should be out. Set notation. So you can see that it is a definitely common portion of G and H. So one thing is for sure, we will focus between the common portion between G and H. But the problem is this portion is not here. So what would be F complement? F complement would be something uh, everything except F. So in this everything includes this part. So we can say that if we take common between F complement and the common of G and H, you'll get your answer. Acceleration is basically the gradient of speed time graph, and it says till 10 seconds. So we can take these 2 points to find the gradient Or simply if you apply a triangle method, that is more convenient. This is 20, this is 10, so acceleration would be 20 over 10, or speed over time, or y over x, as per talking of your gradient. So answer would be 2. 700 meters, when they say it is 700 meter, this is actually your distance, and in a speed time graph the area is your distance. So actually we need to find the area of this trapezium. 1 by 2. No, we are given with the area, we need to find t, so it should be going on the equal side. 1 by 2, this is the distance between the parallel sides, that is 20. Sum of parallel sides, this side should be t minus 10. This entire side is t. So a plus b, t plus t minus 10, and this all is equal to 700. Let's solve it. 2t minus 10 is 70. 2t is 80. Your answer should be 40. Not in syllabus anymore. Only 3 could be factorized. This is identity number 2. 2b plus 5, 2b minus 5. Factorize first. In the denominator you will get 2 brackets. 2c square. If you multiply these two, 24, and 8 threes are would be good enough. Just remember, this sign should be same with the greater value. 3c minus 12. So it will be 2c c minus 4 and plus 3. So this could be cancelled out. Your answer would be 2c plus 3. Putting minus 8 at the place of x will give you 1. For inverse, it should be x minus 3 multiplied by 4. First put p in f. P over 4 plus 3 is equal to, now put p plus 5 in the x of g, to p plus 5 minus 1. You can simplify it. P plus, I'm multiplying everything with 4 to get rid of the fraction thing. So 8p minus p, 12 minus 32 minus 20 over 7 AC. So you will come from this way to this way, starting ending point, coming in the opposite of A. So this would be taken as minus A. So you can write it like C minus A. Position vector of X. Position vector is always from origin. And where is this X? X is the midpoint of AC. So if this is your X, this would be the position vector of. So first we have AC. So we can find AX. Let's draw it separately. Your AX would be C minus A over 2. This is A and this needs to be found. So A plus C by 2 minus A by 2 would be A by 2 plus C by 2, or 1 by 2 A plus C in case the question is of something parallel or something which is not. Yx. Y would be 2 ratio 1 of AB. So somewhere here would be your Y, and for that purpose I can draw this triangle A Y X AX. So your, since it's a parallelogram, so AB would also be C and AY would be 2/3 of C. We already have our AX. Yes, we have our AX. That is C minus A by 2 YX. This is the thing to be found. We are provided with the vectors of AY would be this direction, AX this direction. So to find Yx, I'll go from in the anti-clockwise direction. So I will write minus 2 by 3c plus c by 2 and minus a by 2. So if you can cross multiply, so it would be minus 4c plus 6c would be 2c by 6. 2 by 6 would be 1 by 3c. Sorry, this would be 4, this would be 3. So minus 1 by 6c minus 1 by 6c minus a by 2. I think this is the last question. So you need to multiply the LCM with everything. It's the shortest, quickest, and avoiding mistakes way. So x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 times 3x over x plus 1 minus x plus 1, x minus 1 times 2 over x minus 1. Do not forget the term after equal signs. 3 times x square minus 1, since it's identity number 2. Now you may cancel out the denominators. So what are we left with? 3x square minus 3x minus 2x. Be very careful with this minus sign. And minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 3. Alright, luckily this can be cancelled. So minus 5x is equal to 5 minus 1 would be your answer. Thank you.